What happens is, especially when we're talking about the male and the female, our brothers, some of my brothers, they get upset. And I get it. I get it that this information is hard to take. And so my thing is, when I put this information out, I'm not intending to put it out as a weapon or weaponize this information against my brother or against the Albion or against anybody else for that matter. My whole purpose is to just give the facts. That's all we do. And so when I put this out, yeah, especially when I talk about the male, a lot of brothers get upset. But I want y'all to know I love you, but I just got to tell the facts. So I had one person to come on and he said, he's like, there shouldn't be a fight between man and woman. But here's the deal. If you think that the facts that I'm putting out is a fight, then the problem is with you. For the simple fact that because the woman in particular is ignorant about the facts of who she is and what her powers are, this whole society is backwards and upside down. It's because she's ignorant. But the minute she becomes knowledgeable about who she is and learns how to run her powers in the right way, well then we get to clean up this society. So you being upset with me because I'm telling the facts and all I'm giving is the fact, well, men and women need each other. Here's the bottom line. The woman has to heal. She has to heal. And she cannot heal when she keeps spreading her legs, period and point blank. Because we're not even understanding, what is she healing from? First of all, she doesn't even have love for herself. You telling her to love somebody else. I heard this song. I wasn't even going to talk about this today, but I'm going in. Not that long. But I heard a song by this woman called Jasmine Sullivan had this song, and I don't remember the name of the song, but she was in concert, and she was singing about how she was in this relationship for 3 years, trying to get a high that she felt when she first got with this person. But for 3 years, she was miserable. She stayed in this relationship trying to get back to that high from the beginning of the relationship. And finally, she's singing in this song, and she talks about, I love that man. And all the audience cheering. Yeah, you love that man. She said, but I loved him more than I loved myself. And that ain't right. She said, I loved him more than I loved myself. And that ain't right. That ain't right. You cannot love somebody more than you love yourself, because when you do that, what you do is put yourself in a position where you allow yourself to be misused, mistreated, and abused. So before she gets into anything, she needs to learn how to love herself first. Then she needs to learn who she is. She needs to learn what her powers are. Then she needs to learn who is this being that I'm about to conduct business with. If she doesn't know those things, then she is the reason why this society becomes upside down and backwards, because first of all, she didn't have self-love. So how does she heal? How can she heal when she's constantly spreading herself and allowing somebody to spray seed in her when she doesn't have self-love and know who she is? How? She got to close her legs. She got to chill out and tap into source, because that's another thing. You can't tap into source when you're eating wrong, you're being around people who are talking wrong, you're smoking and drinking and doing all this other, everything that's further removing you from source, because you over here stuck on flesh. I'm just telling you what the facts are. So if you upset with me giving her the facts, the problem is you. The fight is within you. Because the only thing I give are the facts, whether it be about the male, the female, the Albion, the Jew, the whoever it is. I'm just giving you what the facts are. Remember to keep that bell on for notifications. Follow UNA Republic for more great information.